Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel, friends. So today I have OnePlus 3D and we are going to install TWRP recovery in this device. So let's start the video, guys. This video helps you a lot. Let's come to PC and here we need to open command port, and there are only three commands you need to type. First is ADB devices. Listen step by step and watch video till end. Don't skip any step. Then second command is fast boot devices, then enter. After that, third and last command is fast boot space boot space. Drag your file into command port. Wait, guys, I'm doing it. Yes, guys. Then enter. File will installed, and you can see in this device it's installed. I need to unlock it. It's unlocked and working properly. Guys, if this video helps you, then subscribe my channel and hit the like button and must comment. Thank you, guys.